Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Indonesian ebook before it's gone.
Hello everyone, I'm Blanca and you're watching Top Words. Today, we are going to learn top 25 Indonesian phrases. Are you ready? Halo. Halo. Hello. Okay, first one. Halo. Hello. We are saying this if we meet someone for the first time. Hello. Halo. Or you can say this on the telephone. Halo, can I speak to... Selamat pagi. Selamat pagi. Good morning. Selamat pagi. Good morning. Selamat pagi. This is morning. Very, very good morning. Okay, the third one. Selamat sore. Selamat sore. Good afternoon. Selamat sore. Good afternoon. Selamat sore. Good afternoon. Selamat malam. Selamat malam. Good night. Selamat malam. Can you guess what it is? Yes, good night. Yeah, afternoon, good night. Selamat malam. Siapa nama kamu? Siapa nama kamu? What's your name? Siapa nama kamu? What's your name? Siapa nama kamu? What's your name? Saya Blanca. Saya Blanca. I'm Blanca. To answer the previous question, I would say saya Blanca. My name is Blanca or I'm Blanca. Saya Blanca. Siapa nama kamu? What's your name? Saya Mika. I'm Mika. Senang bertemu denganmu. Senang bertemu denganmu. Nice to meet you. Senang bertemu denganmu. Nice to meet you. Senang bertemu denganmu. Or you can say, senang bertemu dengan kamu. Senang bertemu denganmu. Senang bertemu denganmu. Did you get it? Apa kabar? Apa kabar? How are you? This is like universal. Apa kabar? How are you? Apa kabar? Saya baik, terima kasih. Dan kamu? Saya baik, terima kasih. Dan kamu? I'm fine, thanks. And you? Saya baik, terima kasih. Dan kamu? I'm fine, thanks. And you? Saya baik, terima kasih. Dan kamu? Mohon. Mohon. Please. Mohon. Please. Mohon. Terima kasih. Terima kasih. Thank you. Terima kasih. Terima kasih. Did you get it? Terima kasih. Thank you. Sama-sama. Sama-sama. You're welcome. Okay, this next one is the answer to the previous phrase. Sama-sama. You're welcome. Sama-sama. You're welcome. So if people say terima kasih, you can say sama-sama. Iya. Iya. Yes. Iya means yes. Iya. So you can answer this if you're agreeing with something or you want to say yes. Or just yeah. Iya. Or yeah. Yes. Tidak. Tidak. No. If you want to say you disagree or you don't like something, you don't want something, you can say tidak. No. Tidak. No. This is the very formal way to say no, but usually we say enggak. But that's like a casual, very casual and informal way of saying no. Tidak. Enggak. Baik. Baik. Okay. Baik. Okay. Baik. Okay. This words means good, but it can be used if you say okay. It's also okay to use okay in Indonesia because they also understand okay. But in a formal way, you say baik. Permisi. Permisi. Excuse me. Permisi. Excuse me. Permisi. So you can use this if you are visiting someone's house and you're knocking at the door and knock knock. Permisi. There's no one answering. Just keep saying permisi. Permisi until they came out. Saya minta maaf. Saya minta maaf. I'm sorry. 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 What did I do wrong? I don't know, but just say you're sorry. It works every phrase, every situation. Saya minta maaf. Jam berapa sekarang? Jam berapa sekarang? What time is it? Jam berapa sekarang? Can you guess what it means? Yeah, what time is it? Jam berapa sekarang? What time is it? I don't know. I don't have any watch. Di mana letak kamar kecil? Di mana letak kamar kecil? Where is the restroom? Di mana letak kamar kecil? I have to go. Di mana letak kamar kecil? Where is the restroom? Mohon tunggu sebentar. Mohon tunggu sebentar. Wait a moment. Mohon tunggu sebentar. Wait a moment. Mohon tunggu sebentar. Wait a moment. Toot toot. The line you're calling is busy. Mohon tunggu sebentar. Wait a moment, wait a moment. Mohon tunggu sebentar. It's always busy. Berapa harganya? Berapa harganya? How much is this? Berapa harganya? How much is this? You can use this if you are shopping in a small shop. Mbak, berapa harganya? And you can even bargain for it if they let you. Just try. Mbak, berapa? Miss, how much? Tolong. Tolong. Help. Tolong. Help. Tolong. Help. Help please. Mohon tolong saya. Sampai jumpa lagi. Sampai jumpa lagi. See you later. Sampai jumpa lagi. See you later. Sampai jumpa lagi. You can use this in the end of your meeting. Sampai jumpa lagi. Selamat tinggal. Goodbye. Selamat tinggal. This usually ends not very well because it means like you're not going to see each other again. Selamat tinggal. Goodbye. I don't like this. Saya tidak tahu. Saya tidak tahu. I don't know. Saya tidak tahu. I don't know. Saya tidak tahu. I don't know. So, yeah, if you were asked by someone about something and you definitely don't know, you should say this. Saya tidak tahu. I don't know. What's your hobby? Saya tidak tahu. I don't know. What do you know? Okay guys, so that's the end of today's lesson. Let me know which is your favorite phrase of the day, or if you have any question, don't hesitate to write in the comment below. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe. And don't forget to check our website, indonesianpod101.com, to check other Indonesian lessons. Okay then, sampai jumpa lagi. Goodbye. Hi guys, I'm Blanca and you're watching Indonesian Top Words, and today's lesson is 20 words you'll need for the beach. Okay, let's begin. Kacamata hitam. Sunglasses. Kacamata hitam. Sunglasses. Kakak saya yang pakai kacamata hitam di kepalanya. Kakak saya yang pakai kacamata hitam di kepalanya. My brother is the one wearing sunglasses on top of his head. Kaca, mata, hitam. Kaca means glass. Mata means eye. And hitam means black. So, I'm going to give you an example. So this is kacamata. Only glass on your eyes. Kacamata. And kacamata hitam. Okay? This is kacamata only. And this is black one. Sunglasses. It will be called kacamata hitam even though it is brown. It's odd really. Yeah, but this is also like kacamata hitam. Sunglasses. Anyway, we have a slang word for this kacamata hitam. It is cengdem. It is from the words seceng adem. Seceng comes from Chinese words mean 1,000. Adem means cool. So back then, like sunglasses is very, very cheap. It's like 1,000 rupiah. It's like a 10-cent dollar. I don't know whether that's possible, but yeah, it happens. So there are a lot of sellers who sell very, very cheap sunglasses, and it works perfectly. So we often call it cengdem. Pantai. Pantai. Beach. Pantai. Beach. Pantai di sini agak kotor dan pasirnya tidak putih. Pantai di sini agak kotor dan pasirnya tidak putih. The beach here is kind of dirty and the sand is not white. Yeah, this is probably what happened if you go to the beach in Jakarta. Like, it's difficult to find a beach with a clear white sand, so you have to go outside Jakarta, probably to west of Jakarta, or you can go to other islands which are much more beautiful, like Bali, Lombok, Manado. Just Google it. You'll find many awesome beach with white sands. Okay? That's your homework. Renang. Renang. Swimming. Renang. Swimming. Sebelum berenang, pakai tabir surya dulu. Sebelum berenang, pakai tabir surya dulu. Before swimming, wear the sunscreen first. I love to swim. Like, you can swim almost every day in Indonesia because it's always summer. But the thing is, I think I don't remember ever to put on a sunblock or sunscreen before swimming ever. When I was a child, that was usual for us Indonesian because we already have tan. So I don't know why we need sunscreen. Matahari. Matahari. Sun. Matahari. Sun. Hari ini mataharinya terik sekali. Hari ini mataharinya terik sekali. The sun is very strong today. Is the sun very strong today at your place? In Indonesia, it's almost happen every day, except for when it's raining. But 30 minutes rain and then poof, and then the sun is strong again. Pohon palem. Pohon palem. Palm tree. Pohon palem. Palm tree. Di depan rumahnya ada pohon palem yang tinggi. Di depan rumahnya ada pohon palem yang tinggi. In front of his house, there is a tall palm tree. Kerang laut. Kerang laut. Seashell. Kerang laut. Seashell. Adik saya suka sekali mengumpulkan kerang laut di pantai. Adik saya suka sekali mengumpulkan kerang laut di pantai. My younger sister likes to collect seashells at the beach. Baju renang. Baju renang. Swimsuit. Baju renang. Swimsuit. Dia sedang memilih baju renang di toko. Dia sedang memilih baju renang di toko. She is choosing a swimsuit at the shop. Samudra. Samudera. Ocean. Samudera. Ocean. Indonesia terletak di antara Samudra Hindia dan Samudra Pasifik. Indonesia terletak di antara Samudra Hindia dan Samudra Pasifik. Indonesia lies between the Indian Ocean and the Pacific Ocean. Cuaca, weather. Kalau besok cuacanya bagus, kita akan pergi ke pantai. Kalau besok cuacanya bagus, kita akan pergi ke pantai. If the weather is good tomorrow, we will go to the beach. Yay! Jet ski, jet ski, jet ski, jet ski. Can you guess what it is? No? Really? It's jet ski in English. Okay. Berapa harga sewa untuk jet ski? Berapa harga sewa untuk jet ski? How much is the rent for jet ski? Yes, you can ask this if you want to rent a jet ski. Have fun with the jet ski, but be careful. Handuk pantai. Handuk pantai. Beach towel. Handuk pantai. Beach towel. Saya lupa membawa handuk pantai. I forgot to bring my beach towel. That could cause a lot of problem if you are freezing and wet and you don't have a towel. You probably can dry with the wind. Just, lay down on the beach and let the wind and the sun dry you up. That's a solution, right? Kursi pantai. Kursi pantai. Beach chair. Kursi pantai. Beach chair. Kacamata renang kamu saya letakkan di kursi pantai. Kacamata renang kamu saya letakkan di kursi pantai. I put your goggles on the beach chair. Istana pasir. Istana pasir. Sandcastle. Istana pasir. Sandcastle. Anak-anak sedang membangun istana pasir. Anak-anak sedang membangun istana pasir. The kids are building a sandcastle. I don't think only kids building a sandcastle. Are you still building a sandcastle when you're going to the beach? Kotak pendingin. Kotak pendingin. Cooler. Kotak pendingin. Cooler. Tolong ambilkan teh botol saya di kotak pendingin. Tolong ambilkan teh botol saya di kotak pendingin. Please take my tea bottle from the cooler. Pretty please. Kotak pendingin means kotak means box. Like dingin means cold. So a box who keeps something cold inside. Kotak pendingin. It's really, really helpful and cheap. Yeah, you just have to put a lot of ice inside. Pasang. Pasang. Tide. Pasang. Tide. Kalau sudah pasang, kamu tidak bisa berjalan menuju ke karang itu lagi. When it's high tide, you won't be able to walk towards that rock again. In this sentence, it means tide. It could be low tide or high tide. But pasang has a lot of meaning. For example, it could mean to install or a couple. For animals, if it's a male and female animals, you say satu pasang, one couple. Like if for human also, like you see a couple, you say satu pasang. One more meaning of pasang is you can use it for socks. One pair of socks, satu pasang kaos kaki. Socks, kaos kaki. So, satu pasang kaos kaki. One pair of socks. So, it has a lot of meaning. Sawo matang. Sawo matang. 10. Sawo matang. 10. Saya ingin punya kulit sawo matang seperti kamu. Saya ingin punya kulit sawo matang seperti kamu. I want to have a tan color skin like yours. So this word sawo matang comes from a fruit, sawo. So the shape of the fruit is similar to kiwi. Like it's not too big, not too small, like brownish outside. Inside also like brownish. Yeah, so sawo matang, it's like my kind of skin color. It's not too fair, it's not too dark. It's just like brownish, like that fruit, sawo matang. 10. Snorkeling. 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 You know, right? Yeah, it's the same in English, snorkeling. Saya belum pernah snorkeling, jadi tolong ajarkan ya. This is true story. Saya belum pernah snorkeling, jadi tolong ajarkan ya. I've never gone snorkeling, so please teach me how. I've never gone snorkeling, so please teach me how. This is a very beautiful beach. Am I doing this right? Oh my god, a shark, a shark! Go back, go back, go back, go back! Ooh, no! Help, help! Sendal jepit. Sendal jepit. Flip-flop. Sendal jepit. Flip-flop. Dia kemana-mana selalu pakai sendal jepit. Dia kemana-mana selalu pakai sendal jepit. He always goes everywhere in flip-flops. It's easier to wear flip-flops everywhere, like every day. It's easy, it's comfortable, it's cheap, you can buy it anywhere, it's made of rubber. And even if it's raining, you don't have to ruin your leather shoes or your running shoes or whatever shoes you're wearing. It's just easy. Like flip-flop forever. Sendal jepit. Yay, sendal jepit. Tabir surya. Tabir surya. Sunscreen. Tabir surya. Sunscreen. Pakai tabir surya ini sebelum keluar rumah. Pakai tabir surya ini sebelum keluar rumah. Wear this sunscreen before you get out of the house. Bikini. 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 This is the same word in English, but just different pronunciation. It's bikini. Yay! Saya kurang berani pakai bikini. Saya kurang berani pakai bikini. I'm not daring enough to wear a bikini. So this is probably true for most Indonesian women, especially who live in Indonesia. Anywhere, any place. we are Muslim majority country, so a lot of people, even if they go swimming on the beach or on the swimming pool, they wear a very special swimsuit. All of their bodies covered in the swimsuit except for your face. Okay guys, this is the end of our lesson today. So we've learned 20 words that you'll need for the beach in Indonesian. So if you have any question or comments about those words or any other words in Indonesian, don't hesitate to write in the comment section. Or if you like this video, please click like or subscribe. Do not forget to check our website at indonesianpod101.com to check other lessons in Indonesian. Okay then, sampai jumpa lagi. Goodbye! Hi everyone, I'm Blanca and you're watching Indonesian Top Words. Today's lesson is 10 phrases for surviving back to school. Interesting, we're back to school. Like now, we're going to learn. Okay, let's start. Ransel, backpack. Saya suka ransel ini karena ringan dan luas. Saya suka ransel ini karena ringan dan luas. I like this backpack because it is light and spacious. Saya suka ransel ini karena ringan, light, dan luas. Teman sekelas, classmate. Saya akan pergi makan siang bersama teman sekelas saya. Saya akan pergi makan siang bersama teman sekelas saya. I will have lunch together with my classmate. Ring! Oh, it's lunchtime. I'm going to eat lunch with my classmate. Let's go! Hey, wait! I want to eat lunch too. I'm hungry. Wait! Pekerjaan rumah. Homework. Sudah tengah malam, tapi pekerjaan rumah saya belum selesai. It's already midnight, but I haven't finished my homework. Please help someone. Okay, next word. Ujian, exam. Apakah kamu sudah belajar untuk ujian besok? Apakah kamu sudah belajar untuk ujian besok? Have you studied for tomorrow's exam? So about exam or ujian, we have a system that we call SKS. It stands for Sistem Kebut Semalam. So the English for this is an overnight racing system. If you have an exam tomorrow and you haven't studied at all, like you're trying to study everything overnight. And that's what most students do. But that's the student life. Sekolah. School. Sekolah saya terletak sekitar 15 menit dari rumah saya. Sekolah saya terletak sekitar 15 menit dari rumah saya. My school is located around 15 minutes from my home. Belajar. To learn. Saya ingin belajar mengendarai mobil. Saya ingin belajar mengendarai mobil. I want to learn how to drive a car. I think there's a lot to study besides learning how to drive a car. You can study how to cook Indonesian, belajar masak Indonesia, learn how to cook Indonesian food, or you can keep learning Indonesian like now. Libur musim panas. Summer break. Libur musim panas mendatang, kami akan pergi berkunjung ke Hawaii. Libur musim panas mendatang, kami akan pergi berkunjung ke Hawaii. On the upcoming summer break, we will travel to Hawaii. So about this summer break, libur musim panas, we actually don't have libur musim panas or summer break because we have summer all year long. We don't have spring, autumn, or winter. So we actually don't call it summer break. We call it end of the school year vacation. So it happens around May, June. It happens when you finish like one school year. Like if you finish your 5th grade, then you're going to move to 6th grade. You got a break. You get like a month and a half break. So yes, we don't actually have summer break. Kami berada di kelas yang sama. Kami berada di kelas yang sama. We're in the same class. My friend. Kami berada di kelas yang sama. We're in the same class. Yay, I'm not scared anymore. Kelas apa saja yang kamu ambil? Kelas apa saja yang kamu ambil? What classes are you taking? Kelas apa saja yang kamu ambil? What classes are you taking? I'm taking science, math, PE, chemistry, literature, English, Spanish, French, German, Chinese. Will I survive? Apakah kamu sudah menyelesaikan pekerjaan rumah? Apakah kamu sudah menyelesaikan pekerjaan rumah? Did you finish your homework? You don't have any? Really? Okay then, I will give you one. You can write on the comment section about this lesson today anything that you want to write. If you like it, if you have a favorite phrases or words in Indonesian, or any question that you want to ask me. Okay? That's your homework. Okay, that's the end of the lesson today. Don't forget that the homework that I gave you just now, write on the comment section. Try to press that like button if you like this video and subscribe. And be sure to check our website at indonesianpod101.com to check any other lesson in Indonesian. That's all, folks. Sampai jumpa lagi. Goodbye. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Indonesian Top Words with me, Blanca. So today's lesson will be about 10 must-know autumn vocabulary. Okay then, let's start. Baju hangat. Baju hangat. Sweater. Saya membeli baju hangat ini saat saya berpergian ke New York. I bought this sweater by the time I traveled to New York. Saya membeli baju hangat ini saat saya berpergian ke New York. So, yeah, the word was baju hangat. Sweater. We also say sweater, but we said like sweater. So yeah, if you say in Indonesia, do you have a sweater? Kamu punya sweater? They understand. Baju hangat. Hujan. Rainy. Hari ini akan turun hujan sepanjang hari. Hari ini akan turun hujan sepanjang hari. Today the rain will fall all day. So today the rain will fall all day. So what will I do today? Aha, sleep. Because that's what Indonesians do when it's raining outside. We sleep inside. We have this word called mager, means males gerak, means we are lazy to do anything at all. So this is what we do when it's raining. Mager, males gerak. Just sleep. I'm too lazy to do anything. Berangin. Windy. Di luar agak berangin. Jadi sebaiknya kamu pakai jaket. Di luar agak berangin. Jadi sebaiknya kamu pakai jaket. It's a little bit windy outside, so you better wear your jacket. It's windy. The wind is so. What is the wind? So strong. The wind is so strong. Where's my jacket? Oh, I don't have any. I'll go home. Jacket. Sejuk. Cool. Sekitar bulan Oktober, udaranya sangat sejuk. Sekitar bulan Oktober, udaranya sangat sejuk. Around October, the air is very cool. Well, there are some cool places like up in the mountain, but not so cool because we don't have autumn. Musim gugur. Autumn. Daun-daun berganti warna saat musim gugur. Daun-daun berganti warna saat musim gugur. The leaves change its colors during the autumn season. Yes, actually this is what the tropical countries people don't have. You know, like the leaf changes color. Indonesian people try to go abroad, like to Canada, America, Japan, anywhere that have autumn. And yeah, we want to see the leaves change its colors because it's so beautiful. Pilek. Cold. Saat pilek, saya sering minum air jahe yang hangat dengan madu dan lemon. Saat pilek, saya sering minum air jahe yang hangat dengan madu dan lemon. When I catch a cold, I often drink a warm ginger water with honey and lemon. Yes, actually in Indonesia, we add milk and raw egg with this. But not honey. We use like a brown sugar, which is very, very special that we cannot find it in outside Indonesia. Probably we can in Thailand or Philippines, but it's different. So yeah, this is very good if you're catching a cold or pilek. I hate pilek. I hate cold, like runny nose, cold and fever. My head hurts. I want to go to the doctor and I want to sleep. Kacang kastanya. Chestnut. Saya belum pernah makan kacang kastanya. Seperti apa rasanya? Saya belum pernah makan kacang kastanya. Seperti apa rasanya? I've never eaten a chestnut. What does it taste like?
Kevin.
If it's good, you can say enak. Good, delicious, enak. Or not good, tidak enak. Not good. Okay, I'll be waiting. Daun. Leaf. Daun ini adalah bagian dari hiasan, bukan untuk dimakan. Daun ini adalah bagian dari hiasan, bukan untuk dimakan. This leaf is part of a decoration. It's not intended for eating. If there's a leaf in my plate, I'll just eat it. As long as it's not plastic, I'll just try to eat it, and if it's not good, I would just... But I tried. Yeah, I tried. I like to try new things. So, that's that. Dedaunan yang gugur. Falling leaves. Anak-anak itu sedang bermain di hamparan dedaunan yang gugur. Anak-anak itu sedang bermain di hamparan dedaunan yang gugur. The kids are playing at the overlay of falling leaves. Hari pengucapan syukur. Thanksgiving. Saya akan menonton parade hari pengucapan syukur pada siang hari. Saya akan menonton parade hari pengucapan syukur pada siang hari. I will watch the Thanksgiving parade in the daytime. I cannot think of a day that we give thanks, like nationally. We give thanks every day.
That was awesome.
People in Indonesia, it's so religious, and we give thanks every day. So we have no national holiday where we sit and eat a big fast just to give thanks. Okay, so yeah, we give thanks every day. Remember that. You should too. Okay, so that's the end. Don't forget to write a comment. And also, if you like this video, please don't forget to click the like button or subscribe. And do not forget to go to our website, indonesianpod101.com, and check other lessons there. Okay? So, see you! Sampai jumpa! Erase. Hi everyone! Welcome to Indonesian Top Words with me, Blanca. So today's lesson is 10 gift ideas you must know in Indonesian. Okay. Laptop. Saya butuh laptop agar saya bisa bekerja di mana saja. Saya butuh laptop agar saya bisa bekerja di mana saja. I need a laptop so I can work anywhere. But who will give me a laptop for a gift? Yeah, because laptop is a very, very expensive gift. Don't you think so? Would you give a laptop to your friend? You will? Can I be your friend? Please? Minyak wangi. Minyak wangi. Perfume. Minyak wangi yang saya suka tidak dijual di sini. Minyak wangi yang saya suka tidak dijual di sini. The perfume that I like is not sold in here. If someone give me a perfume, that means I'm smelly. Right? Like, for example, here's a perfume. Please wear this. And I was like thinking, I must be smelly. Okay, I will wear this. Maybe it's nice if you know someone well, but if you don't know that person well and you give her or him a perfume, yeah, he might think that he is smelly and needs a perfume. So think about it. Buku. Buku. Book. Saya biasanya membeli buku lewat Amazon. Saya biasanya membeli buku lewat Amazon. I usually buy books through Amazon. Kamera. Kamera. Camera. Ongkos untuk memperbaiki kamera digital saya yang rusak sangat mahal. Ongkos untuk memperbaiki kamera digital saya yang rusak sangat mahal. The cost of repairing my broken digital camera is very expensive. Yeah, you're probably right. I should say that my camera is broken so someone will buy it for me. Digital camera is very, very expensive. But now we take picture with this next word. Seluler pintar. Seluler pintar. Smartphone. Saya ingin seluler pintar untuk hadiah ulang tahun saya. Saya ingin seluler pintar untuk hadiah ulang tahun saya. I want a smartphone for my birthday present. Funny thing is about smartphone that it makes people not smart. Like we forget things and yeah, but we can take pictures, we can, save reminder, save our schedules. It's good, but there's some downside too, so don't forget, if you have a smartphone, don't forget to make yourself smart too. Okay? Konsol permainan. Konsol permainan, game console. Ayah saya tidak pernah mengizinkan saya bermain konsol permainan. Ayah saya tidak pernah mengizinkan saya bermain konsol permainan. My dad never allows me to play a game console. He is probably right because, well, it is fun to play with game console, but sometimes you forget about time because they consume all your time to study, even to eat, even to sleep. So probably he's right and you should listen to your dad. And if you want to play, you have to schedule your own time and be sure you do that homework, you sleep well, you eat well. So probably your dad will change his mind, okay? Kamus. Kamus. Dictionary. Saya sedang mencari kamus bahasa Perancis Inggris. Saya sedang mencari kamus bahasa Perancis Inggris. I'm looking for a French-English language dictionary. Sepatu. Sepatu. Shoes. Saya suka sekali dengan sepatu ini, tapi ukuran saya sudah habis terjual. Saya suka sekali dengan sepatu ini, tapi ukuran saya sudah habis terjual. I really like these shoes, but my size is sold out. I just read about this, but is it true that nowadays people are allowed to use hideous sneakers? No, I never heard of it. Yeah, I read. Probably it's like a sarcasm because like in the 90s, the 80s and 90s, like sneakers are really, really cool and well, they're new trend. But now it's like the trend is like, you can find any shoes that you want in the market and some of them are hideous, but you're allowed to use it because you like it. So people are allowed to use any shoes that they like nowadays. I know. Yeah. I don't know. I read this some probably not important meme. Perhiasan. Perhiasan. Jewelry. Apakah kamu lebih suka perhiasan perak atau emas? Apakah kamu lebih suka perhiasan perak atau emas? Which do you prefer? Silver jewelry or gold? For me, I like gold because it's beautiful and yeah, it's more expensive, but I think in some countries you can sell it. Even if you need money, then you can just sell it to some shops that can take your gold and exchange for money. Ooh, money. Greedy. Greedy. Don't talk about money. Sepeda. Sepeda. Bicycle. Saya selalu naik sepeda menuju ke sekolah. Saya selalu naik sepeda menuju ke sekolah. I always ride a bicycle to go to school. Okay, so that's the end of gifts you should know in Indonesian. So which gift would you like to give to your friend? Because some of them are expensive, I notice. But if you want to give a laptop or a digital camera or a smartphone to me, I will be gladly receive it and I'll be the nicest friend for you. Oh no, that's not nice. That's materialistic. I know. It's not good. Okay. So anyway, probably you have other ideas for gift in Indonesian that you know of. You can write in the comment section. And also, if you like this video, please don't forget to click the like button or subscribe. And do not forget to go to our website, indonesianpod101.com, and check other lessons there. Okay? See you! Sampai jumpa!
I'm having a great time.
Saya sedang menikmati waktu ini. Saya sedang menikmati waktu ini.
Would you like to dance?
Mau berdansa? Mau berdansa?
Where do you want to go?
Kemana kamu ingin pergi? Kemana kamu ingin pergi?
You look great.
Kamu tampak cantik. Kamu tampak cantik.
Can you come back later? Bisa kembali nanti? Bisa kembali nanti? Sorry, we're completely booked.
Maaf, kami sudah penuh di booking. Maaf, kami sudah penuh di booking.
We'll give you a call.
Kami akan menghubungi Anda. Kami akan menghubungi Anda.
I'll leave it up to you.
Saya akan menyerahkannya padamu. Saya akan menyerahkannya padamu.
Is the water too cold?
Apakah airnya terlalu dingin? Apakah airnya terlalu dingin?
Is this your first time with us?
Apakah ini pertama kalinya? Apakah ini pertama kalinya?
Do you like it?
Apakah kamu menyukainya? Apakah kamu menyukainya?
It looks great.
Kelihatannya bagus. Kelihatannya bagus.
I have no money.
Saya tidak punya uang. Saya tidak punya uang.
I want to go here.
Saya mau pergi ke sini. Saya mau pergi ke sini.
I'm looking for this place.
Saya sedang mencari tempat ini. Saya sedang mencari tempat ini.
It takes 3 to 5 business days.
Itu memakan waktu 3-5 hari kerja. Itu memakan waktu 3-5 hari kerja.
Could I have a statement, please? Boleh minta statement? Boleh minta statement? I'd like to exchange money.
Saya mau menukar uang. Saya mau menukar uang.
I'd like to make a withdrawal.
Saya mau melakukan penarikan uang. Saya mau melakukan penarikan uang.
I'd like to make a deposit.
Saya mau melakukan deposito. Saya mau melakukan deposito.
Sign here, please.
Mohon tanda tangan di sini. Mohon tanda tangan di sini.
Are there any annual charges with this account? Dengan akun ini, apakah terkena biaya tahunan? Dengan akun ini, apakah terkena biaya tahunan? I'd like to open an account.
Saya mau membuka account. Saya mau membuka account.
Does this hurt? Apakah ini sakit? Apakah ini sakit? I have a cough. Saya sedang batuk. Saya sedang batuk. I have a stomachache.
Saya merasa sakit perut. Saya merasa sakit perut.
I have a headache. Saya merasa sakit kepala. Saya merasa sakit kepala.
I have a fever.
Saya sedang demam. Saya sedang demam. It's already full.
Sudah penuh. Sudah penuh.
About 2 weeks.
Sekitar 2 minggu. Sekitar 2 minggu.
Is there something wrong?
Apakah ada masalah? Apakah ada masalah?
I'm here to visit family.
Saya di sini untuk mengunjungi keluarga. Saya di sini untuk mengunjungi keluarga.
I'm here on business.
Saya di sini untuk urusan bisnis. Saya di sini untuk urusan bisnis.
I'll stay at the Central Hotel.
Saya akan menginap di Hotel Sentral. Saya akan menginap di Hotel Sentral.
Have you ever been here before?
Apakah Anda pernah berkunjung ke sini? Apakah Anda pernah berkunjung ke sini?
It will snow on Friday.
Akan turun hujan salju di hari Jumat. Akan turun hujan salju di hari Jumat.
Tomorrow will be sunny with showers.
Besok cuaca akan cerah dan gerimis. Besok cuaca akan cerah dan gerimis.
Tomorrow will be sunny.
Besok cuaca akan cerah. Besok cuaca akan cerah.
What's the temperature?
Berapa temperaturnya? Berapa temperaturnya?
Is it hot in the summer?
Apakah sangat panas di musim panas? Apakah sangat panas di musim panas?
What's the weather like in winter?
Seperti apakah cuaca di musim dingin? Seperti apakah cuaca di musim dingin?
There will be heavy rain in the evening.
Akan turun hujan deras di malam hari. Akan turun hujan deras di malam hari.
There will be thunderstorms in the afternoon.
Akan ada hujan badai di sore hari. Akan ada hujan badai di sore hari.
A storm is coming. Badai akan datang. Badai akan datang. It will rain in the afternoon.
Hujan akan turun di sore hari. Hujan akan turun di sore hari.
What bad weather?
Cuaca yang buruk. Cuaca yang buruk.
It's been raining all day.
Hujan telah turun sepanjang hari. Hujan telah turun sepanjang hari.
So, what's new?
Ada apa yang baru? Ada apa yang baru?
Where did you go today?
Kemana saja kamu pergi hari ini? Kemana saja kamu pergi hari ini?
Want to speak real Indonesian from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at indonesianpod101.com. I'm sorry.
Maaf. Maaf. Don't worry. Jangan khawatir. Jangan khawatir.
It's okay.
Tidak apa-apa. Tidak apa-apa.
Please?
Tolong. Tolong.
Please forgive me.
Mohon maaf. Mohon maaf.
I really appreciate it.
Saya berterima kasih. Saya berterima kasih.
Thank you. Terima kasih. Terima kasih.
You're welcome.
Sama-sama. Sama-sama.
Make yourself at home.
Jangan malu-malu. Jangan malu-malu.
Hello.
Halo. Halo.
Good morning.
Selamat pagi. Selamat pagi. Goodbye.
Selamat tinggal. Selamat tinggal.
Long time no see. Sudah lama tidak bertemu. Sudah lama tidak bertemu.
Good evening.
Selamat malam. Selamat malam.
Sorry to keep you waiting.
Maaf, sudah menunggu lama. Maaf, sudah menunggu lama.
Nice to meet you.
Senang bertemu dengan Anda. Senang bertemu dengan Anda. Really? Oh ya? Oh ya?
What time is it?
Sekarang jam berapa? Sekarang jam berapa?
Awesome.
Bagus sekali. Bagus sekali.
I don't understand.
Saya tidak mengerti. Saya tidak mengerti.
Once again, please.
Tolong sekali lagi. Tolong sekali lagi.
Slower, please.
Tolong pelan-pelan. Tolong pelan-pelan.
It's difficult.
Ini sulit. Ini sulit.
Good afternoon.
Selamat sore. Selamat sore.
Good night.
Selamat malam. Selamat malam.
How are you?
Apa kabar? Apa kabar?
How have you been?
Bagaimana keadaanmu? Bagaimana keadaanmu?
I'm good.
Baik-baik saja. Baik-baik saja.
This is for you.
Ini untukmu. Ini untukmu.
How old are you?
Berapa umurmu? Berapa umurmu?
What is it?
Apa ini? Apa ini?
What's your phone number?
Berapa nomor teleponmu? Berapa nomor teleponmu?
Where are you from?
Kamu berasal dari mana? Kamu berasal dari mana?
Where do you live?
Di mana kamu tinggal? Di mana kamu tinggal?
Delicious.
Enak. Enak.
I like it.
Saya suka ini. Saya suka ini.
I don't like it.
Saya tidak suka ini. Saya tidak suka ini.
Help.
Tolong. Tolong.
It takes about 30 minutes by train.
Itu memakan waktu 30 menit bila dengan kereta. Itu memakan waktu 30 menit bila dengan kereta.
I want a bottle of water.
Saya mau sebotol air putih. Saya mau sebotol air putih.
I live in Los Angeles.
Saya tinggal di Los Angeles. Saya tinggal di Los Angeles.
My vacation starts in 2 weeks.
Liburan saya akan dimulai dalam 2 minggu. Liburan saya akan dimulai dalam 2 minggu.
I've changed.
Saya telah berubah. Saya telah berubah.
I won't do it again.
Saya tidak akan mengulanginya lagi. Saya tidak akan mengulanginya lagi.
This weekend I'm going to the movies.
Akhir pekan ini, saya akan pergi ke bioskop. Akhir pekan ini, saya akan pergi ke bioskop.
What are you doing this weekend?
Apa rencanamu untuk akhir pekan ini? Apa rencanamu untuk akhir pekan ini?
I'll have time next week.
Saya akan ada waktu minggu depan. Saya akan ada waktu minggu depan.
I'm busy this week.
Saya sibuk minggu ini. Saya sibuk minggu ini.
Ready to start?
Siap untuk dimulai? Siap untuk dimulai?
You're handsome.
Kamu tampan. Kamu tampan.
I love you.
Aku cinta kamu. Aku cinta kamu.
Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Indonesian ebook before it's gone.